Living paycheck to paycheck feels like being stuck on a treadmill, running full speed, but never getting ahead. You work hard. You make just enough to get by. But when the end of the month rolls around, your bank balance is barely hanging on, and you're already counting the days until your next paycheck. Maybe you've tried budgeting. Maybe you've tried cutting back. But somehow, the stress never goes away. And if one unexpected bill hits, boom, you're back in survival mode. If this sounds like your life, first off, you're not alone. Nearly 60% of people are living this way, even with decent incomes. But the good news is there is a way out. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 powerful, practical steps to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, so you can start building breathing room, saving more, and finally creating financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Get crystal clear on your numbers. The first step in ending the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is knowing exactly where your money is going. Most people underestimate their expenses and overestimate their income. You need to see the full picture. Start by tracking every expense for at least 30 days. Use a spreadsheet, an app like Inab or Mint, or even a simple notebook. Break everything down: rent, food, subscriptions, coffee, even that $2 app download. This awareness alone can be life-changing. You can't change what you don't measure. 2. Build a realistic budget that works. Once you know your numbers, you need a budget that fits your actual life, not an idealized version of it. The key here is realism, not restriction. A budget isn't meant to be a punishment. It's a plan for your freedom. Use a simple format like the 50/30/20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt. Or try zero-based budgeting, where every dollar has a job. Choose what works best for you. The goal is control, not perfection. 3. Create a starter emergency fund. Here's the thing. Living paycheck to paycheck is often a cycle of reacting to emergencies. One surprise car repair or medical bill, and you're in the red. That's why the first financial buffer you need is a starter emergency fund, around $500 to $1,000. It's not your full savings, but it's enough to cover small crises and break the debt spiral. Keep it in a separate high-yield savings account so it's there when you need it, not when you feel like spending it. 4. Cut hidden expenses without feeling deprived. You don't have to live like a monk to stop living paycheck to paycheck, but you do need to get intentional. Look at your spending and ask, what can I eliminate, downgrade, or pause? Cancel unused subscriptions, switch to a cheaper phone plan, cook more meals at home, and rethink impulse buys. Even small savings, $10 here, $20 there, add up to hundreds over the course of a year. You're not depriving yourself, you're buying freedom. 5. Increase your income strategically. There's only so much you can cut. Eventually, you need to earn more. And no, this doesn't mean working yourself into the ground. Look for smart income upgrades. Ask for a raise. Pick up a freelance gig. Sell unused items. Start a simple side hustle. It might feel overwhelming, but even an extra $200 a month can make a huge difference. Every extra dollar can go toward building your buffer, not just surviving. 6. Automate your finances. Automation removes the temptation to overspend and helps you stay consistent even when life gets busy. Set up automatic transfers to savings the day you get paid, even if it's just $10. Automate bill payments so you avoid late fees. When you automate your money, you create a system that supports your goals without relying on willpower. Over time, your finances start working for you instead of against you. 7. Break the debt cycle. Debt keeps you trapped. The more debt you carry, the harder it is to break free from the paycheck grind. Focus on paying off high-interest debt, especially credit cards. Use methods like the debt snowball, smallest balance first, or debt avalanche, highest interest rate first. Choose the one that keeps you motivated. Every dollar you pay off is a step toward freedom, and the less interest you pay, the more you get to keep. 8. Reframe your money mindset. This one is powerful. How you think about money shapes how you manage it. If you believe you're always going to struggle, that becomes your reality. If you think budgeting is a burden, you'll resist it. Start seeing money as a tool, not a source of stress. Practice gratitude for what you have. Visualize what financial peace looks like. Read books, listen to money podcasts, and surround yourself with empowering financial voices. A mindset shift can change everything. 9. Celebrate small wins. You won't go from broke to wealthy overnight, but every step counts, and it deserves to be celebrated. Saved your first $100? That's a win. Paid off a credit card? Huge. Cooked every meal at home this week? Amazing. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated and reminds you why you're doing this. It helps you build momentum, which is more powerful than motivation alone. 10. Plan ahead, not just month to month. The paycheck-to-paycheck trap thrives when we only think one step ahead. Start planning for the next 3, 6, 12 months. What expenses are coming up? Holidays? Car repairs? School fees? Create a sinking fund for future expenses. This way, those emergencies aren't surprises anymore. Thinking ahead turns you into a proactive money manager, not a reactive one. You don't need a six-figure income to stop living paycheck to paycheck. You need a plan, a mindset shift, and consistent action. Every change you make, no matter how small, is a step toward freedom. This journey isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about gaining control over your life, one decision at a time. So don't wait until your next crisis to start. Pick one of the 10 strategies from today and take action this week. Remember, this is your life, your money, your future, and you are more powerful than you think.
Many people spend their entire lives living paycheck to paycheck, believing it's just the way life is. But the truth is, this cycle can quietly hold you back from achieving financial freedom. When every dollar you earn is already spoken for, even a minor setback like a car repair, a medical bill, or an unexpected expense can throw your finances into chaos. Living paycheck to paycheck doesn't always mean you have a low income. People at every income level can fall into this pattern. As earnings increase, expenses often increase too. Bigger homes, newer cars, and unnecessary purchases can leave you with little or nothing at the end of each month. The key to breaking this cycle is learning to spend less than you earn. That gap between your income and your expenses is where financial security begins. It allows you to build an emergency fund, pay off debt faster, and prepare for future opportunities instead of constantly reacting to financial problems. You don't need to make dramatic changes overnight. Start by tracking where your money goes each month. You may be surprised by how much is spent on small purchases that don't add lasting value. Redirecting even a small amount towards savings can make a significant difference over time. Try to save a fixed percentage of every paycheck before you spend anything else. Even if it's only 5% or 10%, consistency is more important than the amount. As your income grows, increase your savings instead of increasing your lifestyle at the same pace. Having savings does more than protect your bank account. It gives you peace of mind. You can handle unexpected expenses without panic, make career decisions based on opportunity instead of desperation, and work toward goals like buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Remember, financial freedom isn't about earning the biggest salary. It's about building good habits, making intentional choices, and giving your money a purpose. Every small step you take today can lead to greater stability and more opportunities tomorrow. The sooner you stop living paycheck to paycheck, the sooner you begin building a future where your money works for you instead of controlling your life. Your future self will be grateful for every smart financial decision you make today.